Hi guys, let's take a look at one application of logarithms. So when we compare two earthquakes, the intensity level I measured on a seismograph can be compared by this formula here. So the log I1 over I2 is equal to the M1 minus M2, where M1 is the magnitude by the Richter scale. M2 is the magnitude of the second earthquake. Okay, so these are corresponding to each other. Now, in August 2009, an earthquake of magnitude 6.1 hit Honshu, Japan, and in March 2011, the magnitude hit the same area is 9.0. So the question is, how many times greater was the intensity of the 2011 earthquake? Now, what are we looking for? Basically, we're looking for this. So the intensity level of 2011 over the intensity level of 2009. So we want to figure out this ratio, because if this ratio is 10, then you know 2011 is 10 times greater than 2009. If this is 1,000, then it's 1,000 times greater, right? So that's what we are trying to find out. Now, therefore, I'm going to take advantage of the formula here. I just need to know log intensity level of 2011 over the intensity of 2009. So according to this formula, it's going to be the magnitude of 2011 minus the magnitude of 2009. So I do have these two numbers, but I'm going to say change that. I always want to make sure that you have the room to do your own exercise. So I'm not gonna use 6.1. I'm gonna use, say, 5.9. Okay, I just changed to a hypothetical number here. I'm gonna still use the 9. So therefore, according to this relationship, this is gonna be 9 minus 5.9, which is 3.1. Okay, but keep in mind, 3.1 is not the final answer. We want to look at the ratio of these two intensity levels. So in other words, we need to figure out this ratio, I 2011 over I 2009. So log of this ratio is equal to 3.1. What is the ratio? We can quickly rewrite this into exponential form by recognizing this is a common log. It has base 10, so I'm going to keep the base as 10, and then swap these two, right? When I drop the log, I need to swap those two. So 10 raised to power 3.1 equals the I of 2011 over I sub 2009. So now that's what you need. You can quickly get this algebra from your calculator. So, but your problem is going to be 6.1 instead of 5.9. Hopefully this gives you the hint to complete this problem.